They say that when it's very cold, you can pull out several sacks of fish in one morda. I asked if 15 kilograms was possible, it just crossed my mind. She says that 15 kilograms is very, very little. When you pull out the sack when it's extremely cold, that's when you get the most fish and you can extract several sacks full of fish. I ask if that's possible today, she says, no, it's too warm today. And it's around -20 at the moment. For them it's easier this way so that the water doesn't come through entirely, because it will be harder to remove it. They will remove layer by layer. He says this Morda has been here for 2 weeks.
Yes, easy now. More, a little bit more. Let it go, let it go. Let it go now. Hold this now.
They are disappointed by how little fish there is. They estimate there's about 10 kilograms, but that's it. It's already getting dark anyway. We won't be checking other Morda's traps anymore. That is all for tonight. We're gonna go home.